Yeah. Okay, guys. Everything is fine, right?
Fine, fine, Ravi.
Okay. So our our our
Yeah,
our
yes.
target is what here we will give one input edit, right? Edit button. Whenever end user will click, right? Based on this one, we will take this ID, right? Based on this one ID, based on this ID, we will what is that? We will edit that, right? We will edit that data. Okay, so one form will come, right? One form will come. Okay, so what is that? At the rate, what is that? At the rate get mapping, okay na, get mapping, okay na. So what is that, what argument we will edit, okay na, edit, okay, fine guys. Okay, edit. So what is that here we will take now at the rate request, right, request parameter, right, request parameter, okay na, request parameter integer, we will take the id here, okay na, id, okay, fine guys. So okay, so now fine. And after then what is that, model date, model map, we will take model map, okay na, model map, okay. So okay, fine. So till now the things is completed, guys. Return null, okay na, null, I'm returning the null, okay. So okay, so okay, the things is completed, guys, okay. So next what we will do now, whenever we will click on here edit button, right, just I will give the edit button here, okay na, edit button I will give it now. So whenever we will click now, so what will we will do now. So okay, so after clicking that, right, after clicking that, we will get one object, right. After then clicking that, we will get one object. So for that what we will do now, guys. Okay, so service dot, oh, service dot, what is that, service dot get on one object, we will call that method, right. And inside that this id already is coming, right. So we will pass this id, and this method will return what is that, one employee object, right, one employee object, okay. Employee emp, right, employee emp, okay. So after then what we will do now, we will return this employee, right, em map dot, right, map dot add what is that, add emp, right, add emp, right. Just I'm taking what is a emp only. And here what I'm doing now, emp, just take this one as a emp1, I'm taking this one as a emp1, okay na. Okay, so after then what we will do now here, emp emp1 I'm taking here, right. Okay, so let's, okay, so here what is that, let's create one page inside that, what is that, editable page, guys, okay na, editable page, okay na. Just I'm going to create one editable page, what is that, edit employee, okay na. Just I'm taking one employee edit page, okay na, gsp page I'm taking now. Okay, so employee edit edit dot gsp, right. Okay, so now next, now finish, okay. So this is our edit page, okay. So we know that, okay, so let's see that, okay. Now let's move on, and we will do what is that, percent, what is that, percent at the rate tag, right, tag live, okay na. Inside that what is that, prefix form, okay na. After then what is that, url, right, url, what is that, come here, come, already we taken inside that, what is that, employee, in this gsp, right, we have already, okay, here, right, already we have this one, okay na. Let's copy this url here from the here, to perform what is that, gstl, I'm going to perform gstl, okay na. So to perform this operation, right, so to perform this operation, okay, come inside this jsp page, okay na. Just I will paste this one, okay. So based on this one we can able to make this one, okay na, editable form, okay. So now okay, okay, so what is that, okay, okay, form colon, what is that, input, right, input, input, okay. So what is the model data, right, where the model, employee model, okay, this one need this one, okay na. So input, okay, copy this one, okay, copy this one, Okay, so paste it here. Okay, so after then what is that? Read only, make read only true, otherwise we can't edit, we don't have need to edit our what is that employee id. Emp, this one is what id. Okay, emp id. Okay, this is what our emp id. Something goes wrong. Oh, this is the form data, right? So what we will do now, come here. Okay, form, form colon, what is that? Form colon form tag is there, right? Okay, so now fine. So what is that? Action, action we will take, what is, no, model attribute, right? Model attribute is what is we are exposing from the controller, guys? This is the, come to emp, right? We are exposing the emp, right? Okay, so hmm, yeah, employee. Okay, now this one no need. Oh, okay, open this one, editable form. Okay, okay, so what we are sending from the database emp, right? Emp. Okay, so what we will do now, we will take this, that one. Okay, now we will take that one. Okay, so let's first what we will do now, let's h1, just I'm seeing that key the flow is hello. Just I want to see that if our flow is going good or not. Okay, na? Yeah, the what is that? Employee edit, right? The page name is what? Employee edit. Okay, na? So what we will do now, from that, where here we will return the same page, where which page we have need to edit. Okay, na? So what is that? Employ, employee edit, edit. Okay, na? We will take that GSP page. Okay, so let's run one time application, let's see that key we are getting the error, then we will do next level work on that. Okay, na? So I'm running the same application, guys. Okay, yes, come to here. Okay, so what is that? What is the URL? Just make edit, right? EDIT. Okay, edit. Bad request is coming, right? Oh, yeah, I know that. I know that why the bad request is coming. Okay, edit. After then, what is that? Question mark id equal to, just I'm sending, what is that, one. Okay, now it will work. Yeah, hello. Okay, fine, 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 working, our page is working, guys. Okay, so I will tell. Okay, now why I given that, because I'm based on this one only, our next level discussion is there, dear friend. Okay, na? So be patient. Okay, be patient. Now let's implement it. Okay, now let's implement it. Okay, so okay, so see. Okay, so just I want to see that here, because in the previous, when I we are doing the practical on that, this one is giving the problem, right? So because of that, I don't want, after completing our work, if it will give problem, then that is also not good. Okay, so now, okay, guys, so what is that? Form colon, what is that? Form colon, what is that? Input, right? Input. Okay, input one model class. What is that? Let's take this one. Okay, employee id, copy this one and paste it here. Okay, so but make this one as a unreadable. So for that, what is that? Read only, make true, true. Okay, so okay, true. If you make that, if you want to edit this id, you can't able to edit. Okay, na? Emp, what is that? Id. Okay, this is what? Emp id. Another one more field is there, right? What is that field is there? What the field is there? Employee name is there, right? Okay, so what is that? Emp, what is that? Name. Okay, emp name, what is that? Form colon form colon input, right? Form colon input. Okay, come to model data, model class. Okay, na employee. Copy this one and paste it here, guys. Okay. Okay. Another one is what is that? EMP gender is there, right? EMP gen. Just I'm taking, right. What is that? EMP password is there. Oh, okay. PWD. Take PWD. PWD. Okay, na? PWD. Okay. So form colon. What is that? Form colon input, right? Form colon input. Okay. Come to model class. What is that variable name? PWD. Copy this one and paste it here. Okay. Paste it here. Okay. Another one more thing is there. What is that? What is that? But this one is the what? Radio button, right? EMP gender is radio button. Okay. So no problem. Okay. EMP. What is that? GEN. Gen. Okay, na? What is that? Form colon, what is that? Radio, right? Radio button. Okay, this one is what is that value I'm taking? um Value we will take, yeah, value we will take. What is that? Yeah, mail. Mail, right? Mail. After then what is that? Mail. Mail. Okay, so another one more is there. What is that? Here what we will do now, we will paste it the EMP. Oh, gender, right? EMP gender. Copy this one. Okay. Paste inside this one. Okay. Paste here. Okay. So another one more we will take. What is that? Mail, right? Mail. This one is mail. After then, what is that? Form colon, form colon, form colon, radio, right? Radio button. Form colon, radio button. Inside that again, we will take the same things. Okay. Here we will paste it because we are performing the. After then, value is what? Value is what? After then, value is what? Female. Female, right? Female. Okay. Okay. So the thing is completed, guys. Okay. Oh, yeah. Now fine. Okay. Another one more thing is there. What is that? What is that? Employee address, right? This thing. Text area. This is the text area, right? So okay. So what is that? Come here. EMPADDRS. Okay. So after then what is that? Form colon. Form colon. Form colon. What is that? Text area, right? Text area. Okay. What is the text area? Address. Copy this one, paste it here. Okay. Copy this one and paste it here. Okay. So now what is that? Next one more things is there, right? Next one more things is employee country is there. Last one. Okay. Okay. EMP. What is that? Country, right? Okay. Form colon. Form colon. What is that? Country. Country list option, right? Okay. Option is there, right? In the country option is there, right? Mm, 1 minute. I need to see. Oh, we have need to take only one data, right? So, okay. This one will be input only. Input. Okay. This one will be input. This one will be input. Okay. So, okay, fine. So, fine. Okay. So, come to model class. Okay. Copy this variable. Okay. So, what we will do now, just paste it. Okay. Just paste it. After then, what we will do now? For that, take one input. Input button. After then, inside that, what we will do now? Text submit. Submit. Value is what is that? Value we will take edit, right? Okay. So here we will take pre tag. Okay. Now, otherwise that pre tag. Then okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, now. So let's run one more time application and we will see that. Okay. So what is that? So okay. Till same now. Come here also, right? Come here. What is that? action we taken, right? Okay, action we taken. So here what we will do now, let's take this one. Okay, what is that? Edit. Oh, c colon, c colon. Okay na, c colon, what is that? Out, c colon out. Okay, c colon out. Inside that what we will do now, see that guys, see that, concentrate. Okay na, concentrate. What is the argument of our controller? What is the argument of our controller? Already I sent the request na, see that this one, edit question mark id, right? Id we have need. Okay na, so okay, so okay, no, here, come to here, what is that? What is that? Which one? Edit, right? Edit, it will take the request as what? Edit. Okay na, edit, we make the request as what? Edit. After then, no, this one, yeah, edit, right? And it will take the id. What is that? So for that, what we will do now, take like this. Okay na, come to here, come to here. Okay na, where uh this page. Okay na, this page, no, this one, data, where yeah, this one, come to here. Okay na, so what is that? Edit, 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 this one only, right? Where, yeah, see, edit. Okay, edit. After then id, right? After then id we have make it, right? After then id, question mark. Okay now, make the question mark. After then what is that? Id, guys. Okay, after then id equal to. Okay now, so id equal to parameter. So after then here only what we will do now, dollar symbol, take this one, and what is that? Copy this one, right? Copy this one and paste inside this. Copy this one and paste inside this one. Okay, paste inside this one. Okay, now, now the thing is fine, guys. Okay, now thing is fine, guys. Okay, so let's run the application. Okay now, because one iteration, when one iteration will happen, means one record, right? Second iteration, second id will become. Okay now, so id will be same only, right? Here, so based on the id only, right? So first id, if we want to edit it, then we can edit. Okay, so okay, let's run the application one more time, and we will see that. Okay, we will enjoy our application. Okay, so now run this application. Now run this application. Feeling bored, guys? Let me know that. Feeling bored? Feeling.
We know, Ravi.
Actually, this is the project implementation, guys. Okay, na? So because of that, it's actually one or two things we are not doing, and we are not learning the model, right? So we are doing the project. Okay, na? So because of that, it's and see, multiple module I'm implementing in the single day only. Okay, na? So because of that, it's taking time, guys. Okay, na? It's taking time. Okay, na? Edit. After then we will update operation we will perform now. So okay, guys, okay, so let's make the request. Okay now, come to browser, right? Come here. What is that? First what we will do now, what is that? Data, right? Let's see the data. Okay now, let's see the data page. Yeah. Array. Oh, you know why it's coming now? Why this one is
Like
coming?
Ravi.
Yeah, come here. Okay, come on the GSP page. Okay, so it's our mistake, guys. Okay now, this is our mistake. Okay, that is the anchor tag, right? We have need to take this one as what? Anchor tag. See, okay, so what is that? Anchor tag, we have need to take inside this one, anchor tag, right? Okay, anchor tag. Okay, it's my mistake. Okay na, so what is that? Edit. Okay na, I'm taking edit. After then what is that? href. Okay na, href. Okay, so inside that what we will do now, just I'm pasting this one here only. So till now the things I have need. Okay na, from here to here I have need inside this one. Okay na, it's my mistake. Okay na, it's my mistake. Okay, paste it, and this one no need, no need this one. Okay, okay, so okay, now refresh the page, refresh the page. Yeah, edit button is came, right? See, edit, edit, edit. click on that edit button. Yeah, see our form data is came or not. See, if you want to change the ID, you can't, right? But Amit is there, right? If you want to change what is that mail is there, all data is came from the database. Now you people seen that, right? Perfect. See, like that using we are if we give the end user editable form, right? So we are using what is that Spring Form Tag library. Now if we want to what is that update this data, right? If we want to update this data, so India is there, right? Here we have need to take list only, right? Unfortunately we are taking this one. Okay, okay, leave it. Okay na. So now what is that we if the end user want to update it, okay na, okay na, if end user want to update it, okay na. So whenever end user will click on the edit, okay na, save, this is the edit we wrong. Save means this data will go to the database in the updatable format. So let's design that one also, right? Because we will give the this what is its implementation, right? Let's give the its implementation. Its implementation. Now till now the things is completed, things is going good, friend. Okay na. So let's give the implementation. So for that updation purpose, let's write the what is the updating, right? We will update the data. Okay na, update the data. If we want to update the data in the database, what things we will do now? What things we will do now? Okay, this one, right? Here edit, no edit, save, take the save. Okay, okay, so fine, so fine guys. Okay na, so fine. Okay. So let's move on the next level discussion. Okay na, we will see that. Okay na. So for that, after getting the data, what is that? This is the form, right? Editable form, guys. Okay na. This is what is that editable form is there na. So if we want to save this data, right? If we want to update this data, okay. For that, let's write one method, right? Let's write one method. Okay na, and we will see that. Okay na. Little bit I'm going to fast go, guys. Okay na. So. Because I want to complete this project today only. So are you ready? Are you people is feeling bored? Are you people is tired? Let me know that. Are you people want break? Anything, guys? Whatever things you people, we are ready. Okay na? Everyone, okay na? Because only 5 6 members, no break, right? Only one person. Give everyone response. Okay na? What you want, people? Okay na? Then we will move. What about others?
No break, Ravi. Let's continue.
10-minute break and continue. Okay guys, do one more thing. Okay na, 633 is happening, right? 633 is happening. Let's connect again for 644, right? 10 minutes, let's take 10-minute break. Okay na, okay na, okay guys, okay na, okay, let's take a 10-minute break, shall we now, guys? Yeah, I will complete today only, right? I will complete today only, guys. Okay na, I will
Yeah,
complete.
we take 10 minutes break and then come back. At
Okay,
least
okay.
you also take some, give some pass to your voice.
Sorry,
Continue.
sorry.
Continuously you are talking, just please give at least 10 minutes rest.
Okay. Let's take 10
That's it.
minutes. What is that?
Yeah.
Okay, 6:40 we will connect it. Okay, now we will connect again 6:40 and we will complete this application today. Okay, we will complete it.
Okay.
We will complete it. Our target is next weekend onward. We will start new model, guys. Okay, na? Okay.
Okay.
If we
Yeah.
become here lazy, then again our next model will extend. I don't want to extend. Okay, na? Because everything we completed related to Spring MBC. Just I want to give this small mini project. Okay, na? Okay, so okay,
Yeah. Okay.
let's connect. What is that? After 15 minutes, right? 6:35 is happening, right? So we will connect 6:40. Okay, na? In the group also I will tell. Let's connect it. Okay, okay. Take the break, and we will connect after 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, guys. Okay, bye.
Okay.